Isn't it true that we all enjoy music? It's a fantastic way to unwind while simultaneously keeping your attention on the work at hand. However, did you know that you can get paid to listen to music with free PayPal money? Imagine earning up to $20 for each piece of music you listen to. It doesn't matter if you're from the United States, India, the Philippines, Pakistan, or any place else in the globe. You'll be charged $20 for each piece of music you listen to on your phone or computer. This method works everywhere in the world, and you may get payments to your PayPal account in amounts as little as $469, $654, and even $808. The best part is that you may repeat the process as many as you like and earn money for each piece of music you listen to. Now, this is critical. You must watch this video all the way to the end and take action right away, because the method I'm about to show you is still very new and only a small number of people are using it to make hundreds of dollars simply by listening to music. So watch the entire video and start using it right away. But before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. So give this video a big thumbs up before we get into the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe with alerts turned on if you want to see future videos from the channel. To earn $20 for each piece of music you listen to, go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace where people may provide a range of services in return for money for those who are unfamiliar. On Fiverr, you may find graphic designers, video editors, translators, and a variety of other services. So what are our responsibilities on Fiverr? No, we will not buy anything from anyone. Therefore, there will be no investment necessary, but we will be selling services on Fiverr today. There's a new category on Fiverr that pays up to $20 per song you listen to. I know some people don't like making money on Fiverr because they think it's too difficult and competitive. But the best part is that the category we've chosen is brand new, so there won't be any competition, making it simple to get started making money. But if you don't want to earn money on Fiverr, hang around until the end, because I'll show you 2 more ways to make money online by listening to music that doesn't require you to use Fiverr and will really pay you for each song you listen to. Anyway, once you've gone to Fiverr, search "I will review your music and provide feedback" or just "music review," and you'll see all these individuals earning $15, $250, $20, and $5 for each piece of music they listen to. Isn't it wonderful that all you want to do is listen to music and share your thoughts on it? Before exposing a piece of music to the public, the artist wants to hear what others have to say about it. So, the creator goes to Fiverr and orders a music review from one of these people, who then listens to it and shares what they like and don't like about it, as well as their other views on the song with the creator. So that's precisely what you should do. Listen to the song and give comments. It's that easy, and they're not looking for music specialists. They just want feedback from regular people who love listening to music. If you enjoy listening to music, this is the gig for you. This lady evaluates music and gives her opinion on it. She costs $20 for each piece of music she reviews and makes another $20 for each piece of music she listens to. That is fantastic, yet she only has 23 sales right now because it's still new. She's also not the only one who makes money on Fiverr by listening to music. As we can see, This person earns $15 a song while this person charges $5 per song. And there are also a few others. As you can see here, just a few people are now doing this. Despite the vast number of gigs we see here, the majority of them are website reviewing services, YouTube channel reviewing services, and Shopify store evaluations rather than music reviews. As I previously said, there are around 5 to 10 individuals who review music and earn money on Fiverr. Because this is a relatively new business, you will not notice a lot of sales right now. But if you start today, you will be able to become one of the top Fiverr sellers in the future. You may not have any sales right now, but if this category becomes popular, you will have thousands of sales and be able to generate money consistently. Take a look at this service right here. As you can see, I will examine your music and provide comments. He costs $5 to listen to one song and he has already earned 5 sales. To get started, simply create a Fiverr account which is completely free and then create a gig similar to this one. I won't show you how to create an account or a gig in this video, but I have included a link to a YouTube video in the description that will give you a complete tutorial on how to become a Fiverr seller. Now, I'll show you 2 other ways to make money while listening to music. But first, if you've loved this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to receive notifications on new videos. This is WeLocalize.com, by the way. WeLocalize is certainly one of the most genuine websites for listening to music while also earning money. However, rather than traditional music evaluations, this website concentrates on lyrics. It's a transcription job in which you transcribe the lyrics while listening to music. After making a free account on this website, you will receive new songs every day. All you have to do is listen to songs and write the words. To make a good living from this site, you will need a quick typing speed. This site now pays around $4 for every song you transcribe. So if you transcribe 10 songs per day, you will earn $40 per day. It's also not difficult to transcribe song lyrics. It only takes a few minutes to transcribe one song. If you put in a few hours a day, you can make a decent living on WeLocalize.com. Then, here is the next site where you may earn money while listening to music. Take a look at this. Music curators get compensated for listening to music. The nicest thing about this service is that you may make up to 800 euros each month just by listening to music. Isn't that amazing? However, bear in mind that you won't be able to make 800 euros every month when you first start out. You will only be able to make a few dollars, so don't expect to make thousands of dollars every month. However, you may get paid additional money monthly with this website. This website is 100% legal and earning money on it is completely free. Therefore, musicgateway.com is the place to be. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.